Hey guys, my name is Polina, and today I'm having a hunt video. Look at my dolls. See? And now the hunt begins. Okay. And now the L.O.L girls go over here, and they find a clue. Heart star. And now they go to a place. And they find the L.O.L girl there. Wow, look at her. Got some glitter, eh? Glitter, eh? Okay. Now the rest of her outfit. Let's unwrap her outfit. Okay, so let's see. This goes here. Okay. Pink. See? Okay, then now next surprise. Wow. Like this dress? Like this dress? Like this. Okay, let's put this on her. Pink. And they also match her shirt. Whoa. Oops. Wow. And now this one. The hair roller. And this is her bottle. See? Look at like her. Now next place. Okay. Now let's go. Okay. So now let's find the treasure. Yeah. So where is it? I think let's whisper together. Yeah. Everybody love it. Let's go. Whoa, it's an L.O.L Pearl surprise. Whoa. Wow. Let's open it up. Wow. We'll save this egg for later. Now let's skip this part. Okay, so now here's the hotel. Here's the whole video. And now like the pink hairbrush. Yeah, it looks really cool. Looks really cool. Big and small. Okay. L.O.L. Okay, so now let's see. Next thing. Ooh, look at these boots. And just one more. No. Whoa. It's a keychain. See? You can hang it on your purse. Or like on your bag. See? Swing. Okay, 2 more surprises. Let's smack it up. Okay, whoa. Like those surprises? And now one more. 3, 2, 1. See? Like her? Take off her shoes. Looks pretty. Looks pretty, doesn't it? Okay guys, bye.